Facebook Remarketing Success Stories. Maple Bear Brazil. Maple Bear Brazil is an international school system that provides bilingual education in English and Portuguese. Its aim was to cut down costs per lead by 30% without disrupting precision. By using the Facebook Pixel, they were able to create custom audiences based on region, age, interests, and people with school-aged children. They also used lookalike audiences in order to reach the right people. This successful campaign brought them 3 times more leads, minimized cost per acquisition at 2x, and got a 40% reduction in cost per lead as well. Entel. Entel is a telecommunications company that has been offering internet and phone connections in Peru and Chile since 2014. They wanted to skyrocket their phone sales by running a 2-for-1 promotion on mobile phones. They decided to use custom audiences in order to show the ads to people who previously showed interest to switch their actual phone company or get another mobile phone. To achieve this goal, they ran a Facebook campaign that showed 5 images of a 2-for-1 phone promotion, targeting people in Peru aged between 18 and 65 only. Thanks to this customized campaign, they were able to generate an 8% uplift in sales in the devices for the 2-for-1 promotion and a 2.8% increase for other devices as well. Procter & Gamble and Magazine Luiza. P&G is a consumer brand that sells family care products, while Magazine Luiza runs more than 900 stores in Brazil. Both the giants wanted to increase their sales, so they opted for a collaborative ad on Facebook to target people for brand awareness and easy conversions. They also used the Facebook Pixel and custom audiences for this. The collaboration did wonders, as P&G yielded a 5.2x higher return on ads for both Pampers and Gillette products, and Magazine Luiza enjoyed higher returns as well. Sicredi. Sicredi is a financial institution that deals in offering business products and services. The company came up with a promotional banner, Together in Russia, that portrayed a partnership between Sicredi and Visa so as to entice people to spend on the credit cards and increase memberships. By using the custom audiences and lookalike audiences, they ran a campaign on Facebook which offered a chance to win a weekly draw with amazing prizes such as TVs, soccer balls, travel packages, etc., to people who spent 120 reais on their credit card. This campaign got them 33,000 new registrations, an 11% bump in Visa card usage, 42% Facebook conversions, and 60% Facebook conversions from video ads. Moe's Burger. This one is a Japanese fast food restaurant that wanted to increase its sales and audience using Facebook video ads. To achieve this by using custom audiences, their ad agency Allied Architects ran a Facebook video campaign that targeted users between 20 to 39 who were out of bounds from the traditional media. The campaign gained immense success as the video view count reached 1.52 million, and about 930,000 people reacted to the video ads. There was a total of 1.3x increment in sales too. Tripaneer. This holiday planning agency hails from Amsterdam and is considered to be one of the most successful ones in the business. It had an aim to bring more people to their website and make them book trips. They created a custom audience of people who had viewed specific trips. Then they ran a campaign that showed yoga training holidays and packages in the local currency of the user's country. This was a unique approach and really attracted a lot of travel enthusiasts. Moreover, it got them 26% more conversions, a 32% cost reduction, and 29% more return on an ad. ProNet Security Service. This company has been providing commercial and residential security services since 1995. It wanted to increase leads, but at the same time lower the cost per lead. They ran a brand awareness campaign on Facebook, in which they used their CRM data to target Turkish people between 24 and 55 on factors such as active-passive alarm use, demographics, lifetime value, etc. The videos answered the customers' concerns, while the video and retargeted lead ads targeted the products and services. This campaign got them a 10% sales increase, 32% cost reduction, 71% higher conversion rate, and a 77% increase in sales appointments as well. Netshoes. Netshoes started off with selling shoes at physical stores, and it took them only 5 years to switch to an e-commerce platform. Its goal was to boost the monthly sales of November, taking advantage of Black Friday. The creative team came up with an intuitive Facebook campaign that showed dynamic ads and videos with a Black November logo to attract users above 18 who scrolled through the newsfeed. They used custom audiences, the Facebook Pixel, and app event optimization in the app. The campaign helped them bag 24.5% more sales, a 14-point increment in ad recall, 6-point brand growth, and a 5-point recognition boost in sports products. Flow Motion. Flow Motion is known for offering smartphone stabilizers, which is a 3-axis outdoor tech. The brand's goal was to increase website orders in a time period of 50 days. They ran a campaign on Facebook which targeted European and North American users who had already made a visit to the Flow Motion website but bounced without purchasing anything. Hence, they made a 45-second video that showcased the technical capabilities of Flow Motion products to increase conversions. The campaign was successful and managed to score 6x returns on Facebook ads and campaign ads separately, and a 2x increment in sales too. Blue to Purple. It's a digital agency that operates in Belgium and serves many startups and businesses. Its goal was to increase brand awareness when Auto5, a Belgian auto center, sought help from Blue Purple to aid them in improving their position and increase sales of various products including bike racks, boxes, roof bars, etc. After creating a custom audience of quality prospective customers, Blue to Purple ran a campaign on Facebook to raise Auto5's exposure as a brand by showcasing their summer products through targeted videos and posts to the relevant audience. This 7-week campaign was successful in generating a 16x return on ad remarketing, a 5.8x on ad spend, and a 9.9-point increment in brand awareness. Facebook remarketing frequently asked questions in 2019 and 2020. Do custom audiences update automatically? If you set a rule for your custom audience that when they visit a specific page of your website, the custom audience will automatically update to those people, and if you don't set the rules, it will update anyone who will visit your website. How long does it take for a custom audience to populate? It will take only 30 minutes to populate the custom audience. When it's ready to use, then there will be a notification for you on your website. When a new Facebook custom viewer is made, then it will take 30 minutes to populate the custom audience. The number of people that are connected with your content will have an impact on the number of Facebook consumers of your business. How many people do you need to make a lookalike audience? Lookalike viewers are viewers on Facebook that can be collected from any dataset, like lists of customers, pages, website-specific viewers, application users, and engagement-specific viewers. At a minimum, you need 100 users to be able to create similar audiences from many datasets. After years of working with similar viewers, you need at least 1,000 emails to create similar audiences, and more than 5,000 fans to make accurate viewers based on your page or post. What is the minimum audience size number for Facebook ads? The minimum number of viewers that you can use display ads for on Facebook is 1,000 people. When you build a viewer, you will see a note from Facebook that the viewer is too small or dense. If you are building an audience for retargeting, let the ads run as soon as possible. You also have to keep an eye on the frequency of your advertisements and make sure not to burn out your audience. When you run a standard ad, Facebook will show that the audience is too small with anything less than 1,000 people. What is a lookalike audience? Facebook lookalike viewers are the best way to reach people who are similar to your current customers and followers. When creating a similar Facebook audience, It's best to keep them small compared to targeting 10% of a country's population. It makes perfect sense because Facebook creates a similar audience based on similar people with your custom audience. When creating Facebook similar viewers, you can select between ranges of 1% to 10% of the total population in your chosen country, with 1% being those closest to your source. How big should your Facebook audience be? There are a number of rules that can help to determine the size, such as analyzing the number of people in the specific location you are targeting and grouping your target audience. Then, comparing this with the strength Facebook gives you. If it is too low or too high, adjust accordingly. How much does Facebook retargeting cost? The truth of the matter is that your costs will vary according to the month, the day, the time, and the location. And those are only a fraction of the variables in play. There are some major factors that influence the cost of your ads, such as advertising objective, type and amount of the offer, audience, advertising quality, and its industry. This cost is determined in different ways, such as cost per click and cost per thousand, etc. What is the difference between remarketing and retargeting? Retargeting and remarketing, although both words are sometimes used interchangeably, have many vital differences. For both, the main difference is in the strategy. In retargeting, it shows ads based on cookies to potential customers. On the other hand, remarketing is in the email. We can also say that remarketing works by collecting consumer details and making a list. Then these lists are used to forward sales emails. Remarketing and retargeting are impressive methods, but a combination of these two could be the best strategy to increase your digital marketing activities and increase your profits. Can you share a Facebook audience? Shared audiences are a way to let others access the audiences you've created for your ads. You can share massively custom and similar audiences between ad accounts and/or media agencies, as long as both the sharer and the recipient are linked to a business manager. To share a personalized Facebook audience, go to Audiences in Business Manager, select Audience, click on the Actions drop-down menu, and then on Share. Can you export Facebook audiences? Yes, it is possible to export Facebook audiences. To begin, first go to the Export tab, and then after doing this, click on New Export. Then select the estimated audience of interest, then select the destination of Facebook. In the last step, choose the lookalike option. This new personalized audience will be displayed on your Audiences tab in the Facebook Ads Manager, along with a categorization named as value-based.